So, Laurie, let's start with G5, the 5-minute adhesive. What do you generally use it for? How does it work?
G5, right. G5 is a 1-to-1 epoxy, and as it says on the tin, it's a 5-minute adhesive. So it's very, very good for spot tacking. If you've wanted to put two substrates together and you want a quick cure,
Yeah.
this is your go-to product.
Okay.
So what I'll do is so what you have there, you have the resin and the hardener, and you can see the slight discoloration between the two. The hardener is the more amber one of the two, and it's a simple case of 1-to-1. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to squeeze this out, squeeze the resin out first.
So is the palette here like squares? Because essentially you'd fill one square with one and one square the other.
You can do, yeah, exactly that.
To try and get your weights or your measurements as close as possible.
Yeah. So there we've got, that's the resin. And then we will do the same with the hardener. There we go. So you've got 1-to-1.
It's interesting when they're out on the thing, they look almost the same colour.
They do, yeah. And then all we'll do is we'll mix those together. That's roughly equal parts. We'll give this a good mix. And then what I'll do is I'll stick these two pieces of timber together simply by putting a dab on there.
So is it an epoxy?
It is an epoxy, absolutely. And the benefits of epoxy are its strength. Also, you can't smell anything.
Yeah.
It's not as overpowering as polyester.
Yeah.
And then if we just place those together like that, and then
yeah, I guess in a more controlled setting, G-clamp, something like that.
Absolutely, G-clamp, as long as they're clamped together, yeah. So we'll leave that for 5 minutes. It's quite warm in here, so it should cook off quite nicely.
And so, like you say, general applications, just spot fixes.
Spot fixing. You can actually put sort of larger pieces together. You know, if you wanted to clamp two larger pieces of timber together, or GRP or what have you, as long as it's well prepared, surface prepared, then it's a quick, fast curing epoxy.
Oh, brilliant. And that's G5 5-minute adhesive. Check it out online and in stores at Force 4.